The world of herbivores, plant-eating animals. Herbivores are animals that eat plants. Let's discover the wonderful world of these plant eaters. What is a herbivore? Herbivores are animals that eat only plants. They have special teeth and mouths to help them munch on leaves, grass, and fruits. Big grazers. Elephants, cows, and giraffes are some of the largest herbivores. They spend a lot of time eating plants to get all the energy they need. Forest friends. Deer, rabbits, and koalas are herbivores that live in forests. They nibble on leaves, bark, and other plant parts. Small and hungry. Some herbivores are tiny, like caterpillars and snails. They eat lots of leaves and plants to grow big and strong. Aquatic plant eaters. Manatees and some types of fish are herbivores that live in water. They eat seaweed and other water plants. Why they matter. Herbivores help spread seeds and keep plants healthy. They are an important part of the food chain, providing food for carnivores. Herbivores are amazing creatures that play a vital role in nature. By eating plants, they help keep the environment balanced and healthy. Next time you see an elephant, a rabbit, or even a caterpillar, remember they are all part of the wonderful world of herbivores.